Hey cryptocurrency market, it's Denny Lovejoy, your favorite blockchain tutorial Jedi Master, and in this video I'm gonna do an update video on how to set up a Stellar wallet. So let's jump right into it. The first step here is to find the correct domain name, and I'll show you how you do that, but you're gonna want to go to coinmarketcap.com for that. And what you can do is just scroll down until you see Stellar here, and go ahead and click that, and we're gonna click this website right here on the left. So it does take us to stellar.org. It is a HTTPS website and it is a secure connection, and you can tell by this green padlock right here saying that it's a secure connection. Another thing we can do is also check their Twitter profile to see how many followers they have and to see what link they provide us. So the way that you do that is on CoinMarketCap under Stellar here. If I scroll down and click social right here, it'll refresh and it'll show me their tweets. And if I click this link where it says @Stellar.org, it'll take me straight to their Twitter profile. And if I look at their follower count, they have 252,000 followers, which is a significant amount of followers for this kind of project. And as you can see, the link that they give us is stellar.org, which takes us back to the same website. So that's how you verify if this is the correct website or not. Step number 2 here is to choose the correct wallet, and I'll show you what that looks like. On this website, stellar.org, what we're gonna do is on the top right here, it says wallets. We're gonna go ahead and click that. And if I scroll down, they actually have a bunch of wallets. So all together on this website, they have 16 wallets. They have 5 desktop wallets, 8 mobile wallets, and 11 web wallets. So in this video, I'm actually gonna stick with the desktop wallet because I'm using my MacBook here. And the wallet I'm gonna use is this Foxlet one, the one right here. So at this point in the video, you could go ahead and choose whatever version or wallet is appropriate for you. But for me in the video, I'm gonna choose the Foxlet option. However, you could still follow along with me in the video. Going back to step number 2 here, the reason why we're choosing the Stellar Foxlet wallet is because it's open source and it allows you to encrypt your secret key and store it as a file locally on your computer. You can easily trust, send, and trade all within the client. So in a nutshell, it's user-friendly and it's highly recommended. So going back to this website here, I'm gonna go ahead and click this button right here, which is the Foxlet button. And what I'm gonna do now is click Get Wallet. And it redirects us to a new website actually, which is wallet.stellar.chat. And it is a HTTPS website and it is secure. It says it's safe and open source. I'm gonna go ahead and click this green button right here, which says download. And it takes us to their GitHub. And what we can see here is which options they have. So they have Linux, Mac, and Windows. So at this point in the video, choose the appropriate version for you. I'm gonna stick with this OS X version because I'm using a Mac. If you look on the bottom left side of my screen now, it starts downloading and it's saying it's gonna take less than 4 or 3 minutes to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and be patient for that, and then I'm gonna continue the video. So to be clear, that's actually step number 3 here, which is to download the wallet, which we're doing right now, and we're just letting that process. Okay, so we're gonna move on to step number 4 here, which is to install the Foxlet wallet. And all you have to do is click this button on the bottom left here to start installing it. And as you can see here, it directs me to my Finders folder, which takes me to my downloads, and it gives me this zip file right here, which opens as OSX64, and inside of that, it takes me to my Stellar wallet. So I'm gonna go ahead and try double clicking on that. So it looks like it's saying that it can't be opened because it's from an unidentified developer. So what I'm gonna do is click OK. And the workaround that is to right click on it and then click open. So I'm gonna go ahead and try doing it that way. and it looks like it's verifying, so I'm gonna go ahead and be patient for that. Okay, great. So it looks like it's saying, are you sure you want to open it? I'm gonna go ahead and say, yes, open. So great. This is it. This is what it looks like. It says Stellar is a platform that connects banks, payment systems, and people. And it says here, you can only use a secret key to access an existing account. This is because the desktop client stores your login information locally on your computer, so your account is as safe as the security of your personal computer. So what we're gonna do now is step number 5, which is to create a new account. And the way you do that is through keypass.info, and that's a password manager to create the new account. So if we go back to this Foxlet wallet right here, it says create a new account. I'm gonna go ahead and click that. And it says create an empty account. I'm gonna click that button. And instead of sending it to the Macintosh HD here, I'm gonna send it to my documents. And then I'm gonna click save. And then I'm gonna enter my password from my password manager. And then click encrypt account. And voila, there you go. That's how you get around that. And that's how you get through that. It's saying the secret key below gives access to your money in the unlikely case that you lose your password. With this secret key, anyone alone can retrieve your money. So please store it somewhere private and safe. So, you do want to record this in your password manager too. And it gives me my Stellar public address right here. And it gives me my secret key and my QR code right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click show password and show secret key, and then I'm gonna save that in my password manager, and then I'm gonna continue with the video. So there you go. I just did that right now, and I'm gonna go ahead and move on. I'm gonna click yes, I saved my secret key. And there you go. This is the Foxlet wallet. If you have any problems with the Foxlet wallet, you might want to restart it, and then it should work. But here you go. This is the Foxlet wallet. This is what it looks like. On the top here, there's a button here that says my account, and it gives me my Stellar address, and it gives me my secret key and my QR code. On the top left here, it says history. You could trade right here, and you could check your balance. You could send right here. There's a trust option, a service option, and an ICO option. And there's also settings right here which highlight the network, the federation protocol, and the proxy. And there's a button to log out right here. And that's actually number 6, which is to verify that you can close and open the Foxlet wallet. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how I do that. But we're just gonna click log out on the top right here. And we're also gonna go one step further, where we're gonna actually go on the top left. I'm gonna bring my screen there, and what I'm gonna do is click quit Foxlet so that it disappears. And what we're gonna do is go back to my Finder here, go to my downloads, and then go to that file, and then click on Stellar Wallet here. And what I can do is actually drag that to my applications folder. So if I click on applications now, you'll see that my Stellar wallet is inside my applications, and that's a good place to store it. So what I'm gonna do again is right click and then click open. And as you can see, it pops up almost immediately. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select account file. So if you recall, if I go back to my documents here, you'll see that it saved my wallet right here. And you're gonna need this to access your wallet. But this download right here, this text, go ahead and save it where you could remember it. What I'm gonna do is click open to choose that file. And as far as the account password, what I'm gonna do is copy and paste my password from my password manager, keypass.info, and then I'm going to paste that into here. And then what I'm gonna do is open the account, and voila, it opens once more. So that's great. This is the Foxlet wallet. In this video, I just wanted to show you how to download and install it. My follow-up videos for Stellar will be on how to send it, receive it, back it up, protect it, and even update the wallet. So stay tuned for that. And that concludes this video. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy watching blockchain tutorials like this, get the Cryptocurrency Investing Blueprint. You could learn more at cryptocurrency.market/blueprint, and you could get 10% off using my promo code Denny2018. You could also follow our team on Twitter. My social handle is Denny Lovejoy. You could find my crypto mentor and coach Taizen at Hey Taizen, and you could find the honorable, legendary, grandmaster, world-renowned leonfu.com at leoncfu. If you have any comments or suggestions for future videos, send them to me on Twitter or leave me a comment below. Thanks again, have a terrific day, and I'll see you on the next blockchain tutorial.